Yo, what's up, AA? Nick, the Hauler Junk Removal. We're out here. Another move out, clean up, house cleanup. We got our boys here moving. What's your company's name?
Sandiego Moving Company.
Call Sandiego Moving Company for all your Sandiego needs. For all your Sandiego Moving Company needs. Check it out, we're gonna be moving these big ass things. These guys are working hard. They've been here for like half an hour. They're almost done. So if you guys need somebody to move, give these guys a holler. Give them a call. They'll take care of you. Hey, how are you? Yeah, I'll take it for you. Of course. That's fine. Thank you so much.
Job you ever had, huh?
I know I get some easy ones every once in a while. Believe me. All right. So, what's your company's name?
Sandiego Moving Services.
So Sandiego Moving Services, give them a call. I don't know their number, but Google them, check them out. They're awesome. And we're picking up some couple of items. We got an electrical bike and some other items. So if you need anything picked up in San Diego County, give us a call. TheHaulerJunkRemoval.com. We'll be there same day, next day, guaranteed. Give us a call, 760-331-3289. These guys are doing all the work for me. Fucking awesome. Take a look. Put this up right here. We're gonna get it.